Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah from Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is what you need to know before going into trade for 8th February 2022, Tuesday. In the international market, US labor data came out. The economy added 4.76 lakhs jobs in January 22 versus 1.5 lakh job addition expectations. Robust job growth is seen. US 10-year yields with this robust job growth inched up, putting high probability of rate increase. Rather, there is a 50% probability of 50 basis points hike in March 22 meeting. US 10-year closed at 193 and 30-year at 223 on Monday, highest since 2019. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $92.53 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 90 to 95. In the currency market, dollar index is consolidating at 95.51. Short-term range for dollar index is 95.14 to 95.90. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 636. Please note that the Chinese New Year holidays are on and the Chinese market will resume after 15th of February. USD INR with a low of 74.77 closed at 74.69. Support at 74.40 and resistance at 74.90 does exist. Watch out, equity sell-off if it intensifies, which could harm dollar strength. In the domestic market, US, Indian bond markets and FX markets were closed yesterday. Finally, there are two good news from RBI. Number one, RBI rejected all the bids for 574-2026 and 674-2035. RBI cancelling the auction for these two securities brought the fresh rally and a sigh of relief to the bond market. And number two, RBI issued a circular stating 11th February GSEC auction is also cancelled, keeping a view of government's cash and balances. These two events should keep the short sellers away and a small relief rally should be in place. We will be setting up broad-based relief rally across all maturities. Please note that RBI MPC will commence from today and MPC outcome will be known on 10th February. And we ask our viewers to avoid taking any positions before this MPC. 563-2026 closed at 605 versus 607, 2 basis points positive. 610-2031, 690 versus 691, 1 basis points positive. 667-2035 closed at 727 versus 733, 6 basis points positive. Night trading strategy. As night research team had anticipated, RBI has come to a rescue to the yields, cancelling bids at last GSEC auction and cancelling another auction at coming 11 February sends a strong signal of reserve strength with RBI. We expect the market to trade positively for today as well, but this remains a seller's market. Sell on every high. Strategic call 574-2026 was recommended at 606 or near 1998.65, and then we had an average at 624, which makes the cumulative average at 614, and now it gets traded at 619. If we get an exit in the next 2 days, we will square up the position and wait for the MPC outcome. Else, no harm in holding. Trading range for 610-2031, 681 to 691 markets will be wide. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with the new episode from Night Snippets.